Our video market update today is for the city of Chesapeake. Great information if you're a buyer or seller. Let's get right to the video. So looking at the data now for the city of Chesapeake for the month of March 2021, here we are, homes for sale, and you can see what this trend line looks like. Down 43.7% versus last March for 2020. 43.7%, only 662 homes were on the market for the month of March in Chesapeake, and wow, what a trend line we are seeing right there. Let's take a look at pending sales though. Good news. Look at that. Pending sales trending up 16% higher than March of 2020. 5,714 homes were pending in the month of March in the city of Chesapeake. That is amazing. And of course, closed sales looking very, very similar. 5,536 properties were sold. That's 14.1% increase over March of 2020. If we take a look at days on market, what are the houses doing? They are moving quickly. 13 days is our average days on market. That's a 45.8% less time than it took a year ago, March 2020, when it was fast then too. And now it's even faster. So homes are going under contract quickly. That is what this data line is telling us. And months supply of inventory is also telling us there are not a lot of homes for sale. 1.5 months of inventory. That's 50% less homes less month supply of inventory than last year, March of 2020. That's just a crazy number. You guys you can't believe how crazy that number is. And we're going back a full 9-10 years here. So you can see we're not used to this little of inventory. And what the biggest challenge, though, is now we have sellers that are thinking, wow, I can bump my price. Well, remember, we had 50% less inventory, month supply of inventory, but you see the growth is only 5.2%, which is great. That's great growth, but it's not 50%. So you still are going to need to be realistic with your price. Realistic with the price point. Average price in Chesapeake, $305,000. That's up 5.2% versus March of 2020. So be realistic with the price. Recognize that the month supply of inventory isn't necessarily dictating what the price is going to do. But if you're a buyer or a seller, you need to make sure you're educating yourself on this process and that you are definitely getting the right counseling from your realtor that's helping you put your home on the market if you're a seller, or writing an offer if you're a buyer. Be really careful not to overprice the home. And if you're a buyer and you're looking to buy the house and you're going to go above the list price, make sure you're really careful, because if you're going to pay more than appraised value, that is negative equity right out the gate, and you need to be very careful with negative equity. Negative equity is what happened in 05 and 06, when 07 and 08 and 09 and 2010, and it just kept going into a recovery market because people paid way more than what the house was going to sustain. And it's, and now we're coming back from that, but we've got to be very, very careful here. We don't know what the future holds, but at some point you would think interest rates are going to come back up a little bit, and the military is going to start moving, and we're going to start to see inventory increase, and that is not going to help your price if you paid too much for the house. So be really careful. So my name's Doug Wolfe. I am with Redefy Real Estate, redefyflatfee.com. Please be sure to check out some of our other videos. Please subscribe to my channel, like the channel. That really helps with my search engine optimization, getting the word out. I specialize in educating buyers and sellers as to what's going on in the market and some great strategies that they should use. I'm a principal broker. I've been selling real estate for over 25 years in Hampton Roads, and I love educating people, agents as well, and realtors as well. I do a lot of teaching. So please be sure to check out some of my other videos and subscribe. Make it a great day. Virginia Beach's video is out, the market update for that, as well as Norfolk update. So check those out as well. Make it a great day. Stay safe out there. We'll be back really soon with another video.